Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits, and this is day 2 of the $1,000 Bitcoin challenge. Yay! I am joined once again by Ruben from Coinrule. We're going to be
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. We're going to be looking at how the rule performed yesterday. Did we make any Bitcoin? Did we lose any Bitcoin? How is it possible for anybody to earn anything when the market is just going flat? Now, before I introduce him, go check out the other videos in the Coinrule playlist so you find out what this is about. Because what Coinrule does is it makes it so easy to trade that even your grandmother or a little baby could do this. Please subscribe, follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, join my official Telegram group, use my Coinrule affiliate link, which will give you access to Coinrule's application for free. And let's get going.
Buy over 50 cryptocurrencies with no fees whatsoever using Crypto.com. Get a £50 bonus by using my link and signing up on the website.
Hey, good morning, Ruben. Thank you so much for making yourself available. Day 2.
Yeah, let's see how it's going.
That's right. And what we're doing is we're tracking to see, we don't actually have an end result other than we want to make more, we want to earn more Bitcoin.
There is only one goal here.
That's right, get more Bitcoin. And no matter how much you have, it's never enough.
Exactly.
Okay, so yesterday we set up a rule, which was to sell USDT for Bitcoin, and then sell the Bitcoin for USDT. So as the price went up and down, we were buying and selling in order to accumulate more Bitcoin. And we're going to see how that rule did. We also did a previous video about setting up the API, and this is on Binance. And by the way, if you use my affiliate link, you will get a 10% bonus if you haven't opened an account with Binance yet. All right, so let's have a look. I'm sharing my screen. This is Coinrule. This is the website. You can look through this, check it all out.
So yesterday we were just after a very big price drop that dragged the price down roughly 20% from the top for Bitcoin. So what we did yesterday, we were spotting early signs of support here, around here. So we bought a bit of Bitcoin, but we wanted to prevent from further losses if the price was sliding lower. In fact, in the afternoon yesterday, the price started to drift lower, and then our rule sold half of the Bitcoin that we bought. But then again, we had a rebound, and here we have a retest. I see some strength, especially in altcoins. Remember that every time that Bitcoin has a very strong price moves, both on the upside and on the downside, there are times of sideways moves. And in that case, altcoins start to recover a bit. This is something that we have witnessed at least a couple of times in the past months. So what I would like to do now, since we already have, we will keep that rule as an edge open. So we will keep selling if the price drifts lower again. Meantime, I would like you to create another rule so we can start take advantage of dips in especially in Ethereum that has shown to be quite solid since yesterday.
Okay, Ruben, let's have a look at the Ethereum chart.
So as we see here, we are just below a very key resistance that was tested here, and now we are on a series of high-low. We have low, higher low, and we are still trading below the resistance. Usually, this is something that we can draw.
It's an ascending triangle, which is
exactly
bullish pattern, not guaranteed.
It is usually a bullish pattern, especially after such a strong price drop. So I would expect some lateral moves that keeps this series of higher low. So what I want to do with my strategy is to buy every time that there is a price dip in order to sell a bit higher as the price goes up. The triangle should reach its apex tomorrow. So at least for one day, it would make sense to try out this strategy.
Why not Ethereum against BTC? Why Ethereum against the dollar?
because I think that there could be more volatility here. Remember that if Bitcoin remains stable, as we expect that it could go sideways move, there is not much difference with trading Ethereum versus USD or versus BTC. But still, since even a bit Bitcoin moves, you will get a bit of volatility also from that point of view. And
Right.
Also bear in mind that you always need to keep your rule aligned to our allocation. So at the moment, what we have in our balance is mostly USDT. We have a tiny little allocation to Bitcoin that I would like to keep it there, because remember that we have another rule that is trading Bitcoin. So let's keep those basically $100 worth of allocation trading Bitcoin, and in parallel we are starting to increase our allocation to the crypto risk, basically, if the market starts to fix again.
And this is the rule that we created yesterday. Do you want to take me to net profit of 0.49 cents? Yay! So people can see what it is.
Sure.
Right, and I'm 49 cents in profit. And it says here minus $1.19. That's the current performance, or?
This is the current performance of this rule, because yesterday we sold, if you scroll down, we have one execution, I guess. So as you see, we sold half of the Bitcoin that we bought yesterday, but we are still in profit because the remaining part of our position is compensating this loss. So this is how an hedge works. You are not fully basically long on exposed long to the market. So if the market was drifting lower, this rule would have overperformed our buy order, and we would have been protected from the downside risk. This is very good because in times of uncertainty, it's much better to have an edge, a protection, rather than being too confident in our perspective of a price rebound.
Yes, because right now we don't know where the price is going. It's just
exactly we are overing a very important, crucial support. So far, since yesterday, we see that the price is reacting quite well every time that the price dips below this support. But we don't know if the price will hold. So we will keep this rule active, and in parallel, we will launch something that would potentially take advantage of sideways moves.
Great. Okay, and let's have a look at setting up a new rule. So I go to rules on the dashboard, and but if someone uses my link and then they can try this out for free with one exchange. How much? And they want to move to using real crypto, like USDT or Bitcoin. How much would you recommend that they start off with?
Well, you can run for free up to 2 live rules on the market. Consider that there is an hard limit of around $10 for each trade, which is set by each exchange. So most of the time you cannot trade very low amount. So we recommend at least a US dollar value of around $15 for each buy and sell order. So that means that starting with a couple of hundreds of euros, you can already create a couple of strategies that can run in parallel.
Right. Okay.
So this is absolutely flexible and allows everyone to try out the bot.
Okay, good. Well, let's say this is the rule that's already in place. It's still live. Let's go to create rule. And by the way, people, you can also, before you start trading with real money, you can also demo trade on this, so you can keep practicing out different rules.
Exactly.
Okay.
The demo exchange is connected to Binance price. So that means that each execution is very, very close to what would be the actual result if you would run the strategy on Binance.
Okay, and we connected the API, which is in a previous video, which you can find through the playlist. And here, it's connected to Binance. We can see that my balance is $950.94. And I did send out the excess BTC. So this is the BTC that I have earned so far. So here we are, event.
So we want to trade Ethereum. I am running this through myself since yesterday, and with this setup has been working quite well. So we will say that if Ethereum has a price decrease by 0.8%, Let's set up a time frame of 30 minutes.
Okay.
Remember, we want to catch sudden, sharp dips in a short term.
Okay.
So in 30 minutes, let's add an action. So if this happens on the market, what the rule should do? The rule should buy.
Yep.
Here we can set up an amount of maybe $50.
$50 USD.
Mm-hmm. Let's use our USDT wallet where we have the most of the allocation. You can keep that coin. Here, this is the drop down that selects the coin that you want to trade.
Okay.
No? You want to buy 50 USD. So instead of coins, let's buy USD. So in this way, the bot makes a calculation of how much is 50 USD of Ethereum. So here we are going to select Ethereum. This is the coin that we want to buy. You could have also left just Bitcoin. It's the automatic suggestion that our smart dropdown provides you, but it's totally the same like this. With USDT. My USDT, yeah. So we have 950 around of USDT, so we have enough allocation to run this rule. Then what I want to do after buying the dip, I want to add an action, another condition. So let's click on add operator. Then if that coin has a price increased by 0.9.
And what I want is, do I want an event?
Okay, event.
Yeah.
I would like to run this strategy, especially on Ethereum. Ethereum has been under the spotlight quite a bit before the price drop, and has lost a lot of value in the last couple of days. So I would expect that if there is a rebound, Ethereum could lead the general market on the upside from price at which you bought. So that means that we take as a reference the price at which we bought the dip, and on top of that we will calculate 0.9% as a take profit. But remember, we are still in uncertain market conditions, so I would always set up a stop loss on my trades. So let's add another condition.
Action or operator?
If another condition.
Oh, if.
Yeah.
There's the if.
Yeah. So you can add for each condition block up to 3 conditions. So that makes the rule always more complex, and you can really specify at which condition you want to enter or exit the market. So in this case, instead of the end, you can select an alternative condition. So or that coin as a price decrease in this case by 1.2, let's set, always from price at which you bought. Then I want to sell, so let's add an action. Okay.
This is great. Ruben, just wondering, if you're watching this, you can use the link in the description below and try these rules out for yourself using the demo account or using your own USDT, but don't put in too much, more than you can afford to lose. But have a go. Click on the link below, and also please like and upvote this video. But sell.
Sure. In this case, we will sell in case 100%. So before we set up a US dollar amount, in this case, I want to sell all my trade. So let's set up a percentage. Perfect. And I want to sell back to my USDT wallet. So I make sure that I close the trade. This is let's have a quick review of what we have done. So we are going to buy Ethereum on a dip.
Yep.
And then we already know when to go out from the trade, whether we are in profit or in loss. It's interesting also the percentage that I set up for the take profit. It's slightly higher than the percentage to trigger the buy order.
Right.
That's why we said that, that's because we said that we expect a slight uptrend. So that means that in an uptrend, you always have the up leg, which is slightly, at least slightly higher than the previous drop that triggered the buy order. In this way, you are basically optimizing your point of profit. And always, let's always remember that we also set up a stop loss in case the original price drop continues. I want to go out from the market, and then let's wait and see what happens next. So here we can say that we want to execute the strategy, let's say 10 times. Perfect. And let's name the rule. I would say something like buy the dip on Ethereum.
Okay, and I can name it anything I want. Like I could name
Absolutely.
it by 0.8% dips.
Yeah, most of our users also like to add, for example, percentages, so they remember that this rule was set up with certain parameters, but it's totally up to us.
Let's do that minus. That seems to make sense because I'm going to have on the paid accounts. You can have more and more rules.
Yeah,
and hedge more and more, and you can have them.
Track.
That's right, and you can have them on many more different exchanges. So I could, for example, if I wanted to accumulate a particular coin on Binance, I could set up rules just for accumulating that particular coin. Say Polkadot, I just want to keep buying and selling Polkadot on the dips and accumulating that, as well as having several rules that allow me to accumulate Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's what the paid services allow. But if you click on the link, you get it for free. You get to try it out, and then plus 0.9. Oops, 9%.
Perfect. Let's click on launch.
Which allows to confirm, and I can also see it in the sidebar here as well.
Yeah, exactly. It is very useful because as you build the strategy in real time, you can have a visual order of what you're doing step by step.
Yeah, buy ETH dip minus 0.8%, sell ETH high plus 0.9% is the name. So if ETH has a price decrease by 0.8%, it goes down within 30 minutes, then the bot will buy some ETH. And then if it goes down even lower, then I get stopped out and I don't lose any more. But if it if it doesn't get stopped out and it goes higher to 0.9%, then it sells. So in that gap, I've accumulated more USDT.
Yeah, exactly.
Great. Okay, we're ready. Start immediately.
Can't wait to launch it.
Takes about a minute to get going. Here we go. Sell BTC and buy back 0.91 cents. Buy
so
BTC
as you see,
now.
this is the other rule that we launched yesterday. It's finished, and we are earning $1.16 on that, which is compensated by the hedging strategy that we keep running.
Yeah, very good. Okay.
So let's keep an eye on the market and let's see how it goes.
Yes, thank you so much, Ruben. And for anybody who's watching, if you have any questions, if you click on my link, you can go through to the Telegram group, go join the Telegram group, ask questions, sign up, try it out, try the demo account, try a paid account, don't put in more than you can afford to lose, and come back, subscribe, because we're going to keep on doing this and see how this grows and grows and grows. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich and Crypto Ruben signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.